Alright, so we're working on long division today. Each person in the family, we're going to use the family method to do long division. So, in your family you have a dad, a mom, sister, a brother, and a dog. And we're going to use that family method to solve long division. The D for dad stands for divide. That is the first step. The second step is M for mom, which means multiply. That will be the second step. So you should have on your piece of paper, the first step, dad, is divide. The second step is mom, multiply. The third step is for sister, which means subtract. The fourth step is brother, which means bring down. And the fifth step is repeat or remainder. And we will use these 5 steps to solve long division. You should write this in your example box right now so you have it. Let me know when I can move on. Alright, now that you have written down the 5 steps, we will move on and see how they work. So, in step 1 of long division, you need to divide. So what you need to look at is the first number. Can 2 go into 9? Yes. How many times can it go into 9 without going over? And we have 4 times. So I put a 4 above. Is everyone following along? Give me a thumbs up. We're good? Okay.
Do we write that?
Well, if you can follow along, that's fine, or you can write. We'll go over it again at the end. So, step 2, which is mom for multiply. Now, you multiply 2 times 4, and then you write that answer down, which is 8. Okay? So after I divide, I just multiply that number I divided by, and write that number below the 9. So you should be writing this problem as we go. You don't have to write the words, just write the problem as we go.
I don't get it still.
So, sister is for subtract. I will subtract 9 minus 8, and my answer is 1. Everyone should have this written down on their piece of paper right now. Exactly like this. What's step 4? What comes after sister? Brother. Which is bring down. 2 can't go into 1 by itself, so I have to bring down the 4, making it 14. What's the next step after brother? Rover. Rover the dog, which means either repeat or remainder. Is there still numbers left?
Yes.
Yes, so we have to repeat the process. When it starts back over, which is what? We start with? Yep, I heard it. Was that Ashley? Divide. So, now we look at how many times can 2 go into 14 without going over? How many times can 2 go into 14? What's that, Brandon? 7. Yep. So then I put my 7 up top. I multiply 2 times 7, which is 14, which is mom. So I write my 14 right there. What comes next after mom? Sister, which is? Subtract. So I subtract 14, getting 0. Can 2 go into 0? No. Can we bring down a number? Yeah, so let's bring down the 7 now. Brother, bringing down the 7. Can 2 go into 7? Yes. How many times without going over? How many times can 2 go into 7? What's that, Brandon? 3. Making it 6. So I put my 3 up top. I brought down my 7. So I put my 6 below there, minus 1. So do I have anything to bring down? No, so I have a remainder of what? 1. So your final problem should look just like this. I'm at the 5th step. There's no numbers to bring down, so I should have a remainder. So it's 473 with a remainder of 1. You should have this problem written down exactly like this in your example box. So you have something to look back to on how to do long division. So everyone needs to take the time right now to write this problem in. I'm going to come around and check.
I'm not going to the other one.
So follow along on your sheets. We're doing them together. Depending on how this goes, we'll see how many we'll do as a class. And that'll mean less homework. Hang on. The 6 go in to 28.
46.
26 times what? Be a close number. 6 times what?
4. 4.
7. 1.
Alright, listen up. I'm walking Kirk through this problem. No one else is helping. If you want to do one, you will raise your hand and get your turn. What's the closest, Kirk, you can get into 24 or 28 without going over?
24.
24. There you go. And how many times is that? Good. What's the next step now? We did Dad, we divided, now what's the next one? Mom,
Is that a 4 or 6?
got it? You multiplied, sister, subtract. 28 minus 24.
Quiet.
Now you bring down, yep, good. Now what do we do?
Die.
What you say?
Nope, there's no remainder, we gotta redo the process. So we have to divide again, we have to do Dad for divide. How many times does 6 go into 48? Mhm.
Ugh.
You gotta write 48 though, you gotta multiply it. 6 times 8 is 48, minus 48. Just showing our work. Do we have a remainder? Are we done? What's your
Yeah.
answer?
48.
Nice job.
What was it? 48.
I'd like to do the next one. Hunter, go ahead.
Oh.
When he's up here doing it, you need to be quiet, please. Does it look good?
Yep.
No remainder, our answer is 79. Nice job, Hunter.
It was 79.
Make sure you're writing this down. Everyone needs to show the work.
No, it's 89.
Oh, it's 74.
It's 89, not 79.
Yep, he's right. It's 89.
Oh.
Right.
You're right there, though. 2 goes into 17 8 times, making that 16. Nice catch, Bryce. You want to do the next one? It's easy. Fire ticket.
Bryce. 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 Go.
Bryce, come on up. Do the next one.
Bryce.
I do it by myself first. We'll take it.
Bryce.
We'll walk through it.
Bryce. Bryce.
Make sure you're showing the work. We're doing this together. This is going to be your assignment. show me the work, you have to do it. You got it.
That's five.
Oh, you gotta add a zero though. You
Oh,
gotta add a zero. You gotta add a zero.
Why is it zero?
It's a trick. In this spot, because you can bring a zero down, it goes in 0 times. You're right there, so it's 50. 2 doesn't go in 100. There you go.
80, zero.
Here you go, Bryce. Next problem.
That's why you should. Dang.
Kirk, you want to do another one? We'll walk you through it.
Rice. Stay your spot, bro.
How many times does 6 go into 26 without going over?
See it.
Subtract. Going down. How many times does 6 go into 27 without going over?
Still 24.
Yep.
Wrong.
Make sure you put your 4 up top. There you go. Subtract them. Is there any more numbers to bring down?
Yeah.
No, sir.
Is there any more numbers to bring down?
He's
No.
No.
So we have the remainder of
3.
three. Ooh.
44 with the remainder of 3.
Hey, yeah.
Nice job. We'll do 2 more together. Who wants to come up? Michael? No, you? Or John?
No.
Shia? Hunter, you want to do another one? Okay, we'll do 1 more then. The rest you can do on your own.
You know that song from Audrey Hepburn? Like Audrey Lisa. Hey, is that a 6? Sorry, is that a 6, Miss Anderson?
Yep.
Okay.
So we got 70 minus 63 is what? 7.
Yeah.
What?
Be quiet.
Oh, yeah, I made it.
Okay, so you want to erase the row here? So
What was
you wanna
the
do?
3?
We're going to erase this. What we got to put this on? And rewrite negative 63 minus 63. 7. Okay, put 7 right there. Yep.
Can you be quiet?
Okay, now what happens after subtract? Brother, bring down. How many times can 9 go to 75? 8, yep. And that's how many? 72, subtract. Is there anything to bring down? So remainder 3. Nice job. Good job, Hunter. Anyone else want to try that hasn't went yet? Otherwise, we'll do them on your own. All right, so the rest of the problems is your assignment. If you need extra help, come on up to my desk. I will walk you through them.
I need help with 4 problems.